Welcome back, and this is the business segment. A proposal to increase tax on motorcycles is likely to take center stage as members of parliament debate the Finance Bill 2022. National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Ukur Yatani proposed to increase excise duty charge on by 10% bodas to 13,403 shillings per unit and insurance cover. The Finance Bill 2022 has attracted mixed reactions from the Law Society of Kenya and small business, as our reporter, Caroline Njenga, whom I am sitting in for, narrates.
A proposal to increase tax on motorcycles is likely to steal the spotlight as the Finance Bill 2022 is discussed. The National Treasury wants the excise duty charged on motorcycles increased to 13,403 shillings per unit, up from 12,185 shillings, a 10% increase that is likely to affect the price of the two-wheeler. Over 1.2 boda operators are also required to take insurance covers for pillions in the face of a rising number of motorbike accidents. Other popular products that have been slapped with higher taxes include cosmetic and beauty products, bottled water, chocolate and wines and spirits, with some businesses noting that this is not the time to increase taxes as they are still reeling from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic.
When the industry is going down, the government thinks of taxing without ever even calling bar owners to a certain meeting and know their problems.
The proposed increases in taxes in the Finance Bill seeks to raise an additional 50.4 billion shillings. The Finance and Planning Committee of the National Assembly, chaired by Gladys Wanga, has invited the public and tax experts to present their views during a 3-day sitting starting today. Experts say if members of parliament approve the bill in its current form, it will raise the cost of production and further push up the cost of living.
So parliament has a solemn responsibility to ensure that these proposals do not see the light of day.
All eyes will be on legislators to see how they will balance appeasing the electorate by reducing the cost of living and raising additional cash to finance this year's 3.3 trillion shillings budget. Caroline Njenga for Prime Edition.